All right, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about what a system of equations is and how do we solve it. System of equations just basically means you're dealing with more than one equation at a time. In this example, we're dealing with two different equations, both written in slope-intercept form. So where would these equations come from? Well, in the real world, let's give you an example. Let's say we're talking about two different stores out there and they have different prices for items. Why would one store be able to give you a lower price than another store? There's a lot of different reasons, but here's an easy example to take in. Well, if you're ever gonna shop at a Costco, the first thing you need to get is a membership. Now you have a membership fee that comes along with it. That's a card that gets you in the door. That means you've already paid your membership fee. That's what the 25 would be representing here. So imagine that you've paid $25 at Costco. You're getting deals, right? You're gonna be able to get something for $5 a piece. So let's just say we're buying snack bars. So a box of snack bars, $5 a box. That's the deal you get at Costco. But when you go to a Safeway or an Albertsons or somewhere where you don't have a membership fee, those prices are gonna be a little bit higher, right? $6.75. Now, at some point in time, there is going to be a meeting point, a point where it doesn't matter how many you buy at this store or that store, they're the exact same amount. All right, in this example, what I'm going to show you is what's called the substitution method. Step one to the substitution method is you have to isolate a variable, meaning get a variable all alone by itself. It needs to be the only thing on one of the sides of the equal sign, okay? So when I look at these two equations, because they're both written in slope-intercept form, this is good news to me because I've already have an isolated variable here. Y is the only thing on the left side. And then also here, y is the only thing on the left side. So you have a choice of which one you want to use. In this example, let's just use the top one. What I tell my students to do is the opposite side of the isolated variable, put a box around everything you see on the other side. Now that box needs to go and substitute in, right? We're gonna push it in place of the y. Why can we do that? Well, 5x plus 25 is equal to y. So if it's equal to a y, I could put that where this y is. So all I need to do is rewrite this bottom equation, but no longer show the y, change it to this expression of 5x plus 25. So I'm gonna rewrite this bottom equation. Instead of y, I'm writing the expression 5x plus 25 equals 6.75x. And now you have an equation that only has x's in it. And because we only have an x variable instead of an x and a y, we only have one variable. So we can solve. This is great news. Okay, we're gonna draw a line down the middle. We're gonna work it out just like we would any multi-step equation. We're gonna figure out what x is, and once we know what x is, we're gonna use that value so we can figure out what y is. Get it? All right.